Alright, this video is for Garage Door Genius. This is a cold start of my dad's 1976 Chevrolet El Camino Super Sport. Got the Craftsman chain drive. That spider web. If you're wondering what that is, yes, that's tape. That's just keep the chain from this stupid spider web. That's just keep the chain from making a lot of noise as it's dragging against the trolley. Yep. Let's go ahead and start this girl up. Gotta roll down the window real quick so I can close the door now. There we go. Because, yeah, it's got that issue and then got that. So, alrighty. We got this, which I think this goes to it. Yep. Okay. I haven't been in this old girl in a while. Here we go, see what happens. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Alrighty. There we go. Put her in reverse. And let's get going. And gotta do it. Yeah, buddy. Let's do that. Alrighty. Yep. That's actually busted. So. Alrighty, let's shut her down. Yeah, buddy. Alrighty. Oh, down here. It's here. I'm just gonna turn it on. I'm not gonna start it. Wipers. Yep. You got your headlights. Don't work. Hold on. Maybe if you start it. Headlights. Yeah, they work. Okay, shut her down. Put it back in battery. Nice work. Yeah, headlights work. And then you got your hazards over here. By the garage clicker. There it is. Yep. There, and then you just pull it out. And that shuts down. And this is your steering wheel adjustment. That's your cruise control. Shifter. Okay. That's interesting. How you can shift it. But okay, now you can't. But huh. That's new. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Anyway. That's not good, huh? Then again, this is a 1976. Emergency brakes down here. See? Then you pull it. Yeah, a little kick you come up here and you're in gear. By the way, this is reverse, neutral, drive. I know it's the thing's fixed, screwed up. Low 2, low 1. Alright. Still does it. No, it doesn't. Alright. Whatever. Alrighty, so there we go. 1976. There we go. Chevy El Camino Super Sport. Hope you enjoyed. And I'll chat with you later. Actually, I don't know why this is closed. Why did this close? Okay, I didn't close it. Oh. This keypad's programmed to that door too. I gotta replace it. The top broke. See if I can figure. Nope. I don't remember the code for this. Okay. I don't remember the code for that one, but I know I didn't close that. It's kind of odd. Let's try that. Let's figure this out too on here. What a piece of solid steel rail. Of course. I couldn't put that garbage rail on. Let's see if it does that. Okay. Yep. Okay. Didn't want to reverse. I hit it. Okay, that keypad is programmed. I just can't remember the code for it, so I'll just reprogram it to the code that should go for this. Alright, so there we go. Chevy El Camino Sculpture. Actually, I'll just program this on video for you. Just, okay. Since they're momentarily blocked. Oh, for crying out loud. Whatever. Anyway, you get the idea. You know how.